Got a huge transmission and motor sale today. We've got some 302s, we've got some 283s, some 305s, 350. We've got transmission, Chevrolet, 307s, vortec. Let us know if we can help you. It's a 302 2-barrel.
Yep.
It is a running motor.
Yep. Come out of some sort of 70s Ford pickup. According to
The guy you bought it from?
Yep.
70s Ford pickup.
Yep. But you know how that goes. This here's a 283. I don't know if it's any good or not. Block's probably good. Gonna need a lot of work. 283. This here's a 305 4-barrel, early 80s. Say it probably come out of a truck. I'll have to look up the numbers here on the pads and things, but it's 305. This here's a 350. It's a 70, 71, 79, and it was in the pickups. That's what the pad is saying. It's a 4-barrel. It's a 0010 block. That could be or could not be a 4-bolt main. It being a truck motor, I'd say 4-bolt main, but unless you pull the pin, you won't know for sure. All right, this one here is a 283. I say this was in the 50s, 60s. I need to look up that number on the pad to know whether it's a truck or come out of a car or something like that. This here's a 73 307 Chevrolet. That's all I know about it at the moment. I gotta look up this pad again. Had them looked up before, but it's been so long, my memory ain't what it used to be. It's a 350 vortec. Anything from a 96 to a 99. Only way to know is to look up on the pad.
This is a 4-speed 1-ton transmission.
Yeah.
They're all Fords. We got 4 of them.
As far as I know.
As far as I know.
I'm not sure of is that big one right there. I'm not sure if that's Ford or Chevrolet.
It's number 13.
I'm not sure.
All right.
It's the only one I'm not sure of.
And we got 2 bell housings.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we've got a mixture of stuff here. We've got some Chevrolet motor mounts. And what else we got, babe?
Just some odd and end transmission parts. That's an old Pitman arm there, but just odd and end transmission stuff.
Make us an offer.
Yeah.
See something you need, let me know.